Brother, who cares? Who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Shit, baby. What up, what up, what up? If you guys are ready for New York session, baby. Guys, thinking of the G's trying to make sense of gold. There's nothing to be made sense of. We already 300 pips in profits for the day.
Hey, yo.
But Chad, without further ado, baby, we're gonna get things kick-started here. And no better way than to kick-start everything off with our very own special guest, Mr. Mark Henry in the building, Chad. Ladies and gents, there we go. Mark Henry is here.
What's up, Chad? What's up?
Chad, I hope you guys are doing good. It is going to be a good one, yeah. The man went through with it, Chad. Respect. He was a few days late, but nonetheless, he did it. Respect to the big man.
Check how shiny the top of my head is, too. Holy smokes. Jeez. I feel like Krillin from Dragon Ball Z here.
Now it's... we gotta make sure you can see your reflection in that baby, Chad.
You bastards.
You gotta make sure you can see your reflection. It's gotta be shining over there.
Oh, good heavens. How long have you been planning that for? Oh,
Chad.
hilarious.
Ooh, she cooked you.
Oh, that was brilliant. Okay, okay.
I hope you guys are doing good. We are going to get ready to get these markets open, Chad. If you are new, do us a favor, drop a like, subscribe. This is the one and only stream, the only place you guys need to be, the only one stream that actually makes sense, the one stream who does it for the right reasons, and the one stream who doesn't have a retainer. So there's no other point in us doing this, but other for the vibes. So, Chad, without further ado, all we ask from your guys' side is hit us up there, drop a like, subscribe, and that's all we ask from you guys. Everything else is free, the love, the community, and we actually have something big we're planning. We're going to be announcing for you guys a bit of a shout out to one of our own members, Tinnis. Myself and Kribba spoke about it. We absolutely love the idea, and we're going to chat about that in a little bit. But, Chad, before we get into this, as always, we're going to open up the stream the right way. This is the one time of the stream we're going to slow things down a bit, and we're going to open up with a prayer. So for this moment, can you guys join us as we get silent and get ready to open up these markets? Dear Heavenly Father, we come before you today to just please ask you to be with us. We want to thank you for your grace. We want to thank you for your mercy. We want to thank you for your love. You stay with us day in, day out with an overprotecting hand. You graciously continue to love us and bless us, even in the moments when we don't deserve it, in the times where you even think we do and we still don't deserve it. But you continue to look after us. We always say to you, Lord, we ask for strength and you will provide it. We ask for knowledge and you will assist us. We always find a way with you, being the core and the center of everything that we do. The success of us, the success of our communities, is not in what we do, but it's only through you. It's through that Holy Spirit that embodies us, that speaks through us and leads us, that keeps us on the righteous path and going off and becoming that egotistical, becoming greedful, becoming sinful. It is through you we find our power. It's through you we find our strength and are able to take on every single day by day, to better ourselves, to better our community by uplifting your name. Lord, we pray that you be here with us today as we do this once again, and keeping you there, keeping you high, keeping you powerful, and keeping you at the center. Lord, we pray that you can just be here to guide us, lead us, and love us once again. We pray this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen.
Chad, if you guys are in agreement, you can drop an amen there in the chat. Because we know where there's more than two, he is here and present with us. The streamer doesn't say we are back, then doesn't stream. Hey, boys. But again, it is good to be here. We're going to open up these markets. Not too much to look out for, so we were a little bit late. We just had to deal with some stuff. But nonetheless, we are ready to go. So, Chad, without further ado, let's quickly run it over here. I'm not going to do a fundamental chat. There's nothing for us really to watch out for. The big one is purely just... hold on, Chad. I think this might be a bit loud. The one thing we just have to watch out for is Trump. If they obviously have that whole thing with the lockdown, well, not lockdown, the shutdown. We could at any point get that stuff coming out, so we just need to keep a lookout for that. Gold, everything is already been said that they are on a hesitant area, awaiting that. The indices, the equities, your US30, NASDAQ, gold, everything is preempting what is going to be said there. But gold, we are still quite bullish. We want to be looking bullish for this session. Personally, I think if you are looking on the bullish side, I don't think you are going to be led too wrong over here. For the guys that wanted to know the trade we were talking about that we have been in from the morning, the project you guys will know, that was the position right there. The break back into Asia lows this morning. Just run through this quickly so you guys know where we are. Very simple, a massive bearish move down, even though we are bullish. So when this all happened, this for us was considered our fake out. We also did test that daily S1 and then the turnaround. So once we got the break back in, we took a rip over there, and the rest is being history, because the big thing for us is very simple. The same thing I teach you guys with US30 time and time again. If I'm aiming there, we have been aiming for that over there. So there's your 1 to 8. We personally have been looking for a 1 to 7. and that's where the guys have been all the way up to their 300 at the time. But that is the trade. They're running stops on in profits with that. Obviously, we're going to look for other trades that we can scale in here on the other sideline, but going to be an interesting one today. So still definitely bullish. I'm not someone who's going to sell if you know I've got a bullish play on the line. But then quickly to US 30. Big one for us there today, guys. I'm going to be bullish. Why is that? This is line over here. All-time highs. I don't need to go to the higher time frame today for you.
Yeah, boy.
All-time highs. We broke back up. Very simple this morning. I said we broke underneath and we failed. 100% I would have taken that sell. But the fact we are holding that all-time high level, I think we can expect a big move to the top side. Even again, just waiting for whatever Trump is going to do. And then the dollar, again, I think really anticipating everything, yeah, which can be good and bad at the same time, because obviously you have to understand we have a lot of people trying to price in what's going to happen. You have the central banks trying to act on the right side of things, and at the same time, even yes, if that shutdown comes to an end, we've got all that fundamental events we've got to catch up to. Jobs, for example, being a big one, which hasn't been the best. I'm just going to leave it at that without giving away too much for you guys there. But there is quite a bit that needs to come back into play. So very, very quick machine gun run through from my side. Big man Ed, over to you, brother.
All right, Chad, looking at the US of 30, we, like you're going to say, we are at all-time highs. I wanted to take that a little bit earlier, but I was hoping for a little bit of a retest of Asia highs or even potentially Asia lows. Didn't quite get that, so we are super bullish on this. We don't quite have a bottom wick on this candle, so we could wick into all-time highs and shoot straight back. If we do get a failure of all-time highs at New York Open, I might take a little sell from there. Would be very risky because we are super bullish at the moment, but we'll see if we can get a potential little pullback, or we can look at buying the next pullback depending on how things transpire over the next little while. So we held all-time highs and previous daily highs, shot straight up. We have a little bit of consolidation here, so I am waiting to see what's going to happen during the New York Open. So like I said, if we continue through with the all-time highs, I'm probably going to just leave it. Where's my little tool here? Where's my tool? Where's my tool? Which one are you? Can you tell I don't come on here often? There you are. So we're going to see what's going to happen on here. If we continue to shoot up, then that is probably a mistrade for me. However, if we do shoot back down here, find resistance at all-time highs and shoot back down, I will try and take a little bit of a play to Asia lows or a little bit beyond, so we can just form this little bottom wick. From there, we might be able to continue bullish from there. So going to be a wait and see sort of game, seeing what happens at New York Open. NAS, same, but very different. Looking at current price action, we are not quite at all-time highs with NAS. We had a super bullish day on Monday, a little bit of a bearish day yesterday, and then went straight into a bullish day today. So with this, again, we're going to see what's going to happen at this previous daily high. We are looking like we are running out of steam at previous daily highs, so going to see what happens there. We do have this yearly resistance level, which we are battling to get past. So if after the first 15 minutes of market open, if we're still trading around Asian highs, then I'm going to look to take this down to Asian lows, maybe even the EQ, maybe even this weekly pivot. Alternatively, if we break above this yearly resistance level, look to get support there. I would look to take this long and follow suit with what US 30 is doing in targeting all-time highs. So that is my plan on NAS and US 30. We're going to see what's going to happen, and the markets are open.
Yeah, where is the horn? Bro, Mullen was...
There's a little
Chad,
rearranging
that
there.
is at markets open round 6. Ding, 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 fight.
Round 1. Fight.
There go.
Let's see what we can get into, Chad. All right, Rixie, so 2 a.m. in the morning. So we're basically going to have clear sailing for the session anyway then. All right.
There goes that all-time high play.
So I think Asia session tomorrow is going to be quite volatile.
Is that when the news is coming out?
Yeah, it's when he's set to sign it.
Ooh, shit. That's going to be interesting. That's going to be interesting.
US 30. want to see something. Yeah, could I get a? Don't think I can.
And I thought about entering this early and decided against it. I think it was around when did London open? Around 10, eh? It was around 11. I thought about entering this early, but then we got this little bearish candle back into Asian highs, and I thought against it.
Sure. USD, I think it's going to be a bit of a...
Would have been choppy, but would have worked out
violent
brilliantly
one.
now. And my target was that daily R1. Cash it. It's okay. There'll be another one.
Chad, I'm just watching gold. As I said, we'll look for possible re-entries, but I do think it's going to be quite choppy now until then. But USD as well, I think we might have a play. We obviously have to see what happens with it. Let's see what we can get you. But Chad, how's the day been so far? You guys have been catching on too much trouble. I hope you haven't.
I just love it when NAS and US 30 go in opposite directions.
Right.
So beautiful.
That's when you got to be careful because you can get chopped so quickly.
Like what's about to happen here?
Rix, how do you trade Asia station? Teach us. Rix is a little monster. Chad, also side one, any one of you guys who are playing Battlefield, hit us up. Let's chat there. We need some sweats. Cause it's all my COD guys, they don't want to leave. COD's toxic, bro. As much as
God,
it
it's
is
toxic.
as much as we hate the game, we love it. And it's like all the rank guys I chat to, I'm like, bro, come, I need my boys there. And they're like, nah, bro. Black Ops releases on Friday. I'm not getting into that now. Like, Black Ops on Friday. I'm like, yeah, but there's no ranked on Friday. He says, but I gotta grind the skins, bro. I gotta grind the guns.
Gotta grind the guns and skins.
And I'm like, oh my word, here we go. I will not. I'm happy on Battlefield. And then I can see myself Friday nights. Ching! Purchase of Battlefield of Call of Duty.
You think Chris has woken up yet?
No. He's still not. I will put money on it. 245 watching, only 22 likes. Come on, guys. Damn, Chad, is that what you guys are at? Only 22.
Nah, I think his thing is frozen.
Oh, yeah, it is. 91 likes, guys. 240 of you. Please, if you guys could hit that to 100, but I mean, even 150. I mean, come on, 150, guys. That's a nice number.
Bring on the likes.
You guys can do that easy.
I ain't here for my health.
Hi, Keeks. Hope all is well. Just a quick question. I am new on the G team. Is it just me or this was no time on messages that are sent to see who it was? Bro, we've actually been having this discussion with the guys. Some guys are seeing it. Some guys aren't seeing it. It's a constant back and forth. I'm not going to lie to you. I think Chronic and in the chat, the guys have figured something out. But from myself, like, we've literally just migrated over to WAP, so I don't know the platform that well. So this is more like the development side. The guys are also figuring out. So I can't give you a straight answer, my brother. I'm sorry about that. But they have been talking about it in the chats and stuff. So I mean, don't be scared to message there in the G's chat, and the guys will actually also help you, and they are nice. But yeah, some guys say that they can't see it. Other guys say that they do. It's a bit of a weird one. So on NASDAQ, bless you.
Thank you.
What are you looking for now?
Looking for that Power Ranger. Waiting for that first 15-minute shuffle.
Keegs, I trialed Jordan after stream, bro. He's good. We got 2 W's in duos. Okay, you're giving me hope here, bro. You're giving me hope. Alright, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, bro. After this, this evening, we're gonna jam. You boys let me know when you're on, and I'm ready, bro. I'm probably not gonna have a late night, so probably when I get home, I'll be getting on straight away, and then have an earlier night. I can see on PC at no time on phone on WAP. Okay. Alright, there you go, Rian, giving you the answer there. I think, yeah, we're just gonna have to figure it out. Hey, Messiah! How you, my brother? Mr. 714 in the building. Hey, the man rocking the new M4. And people say trading doesn't pay.
Hey.
Keys, I hope I had hope. What? Keys, I had hope afterwards as well. Okay. Messiah, bro, you must actually flip. I'm sorry, we actually had a lot of meetings and things going on. Let me know when you're still coming down this way, my brother. We need to still get you on that pod. I know we said either end of November or whatever, but you just let me know if you're still coming down. If you're not, then we can arrange to do it early next year. Because I'm not someone where I'm gonna bother people in December, bro. I know December is like family time, it's holiday time. We also on holiday, so if we don't do like November, if you're not coming through anymore, then I think we do early next year, my brother. CJ, I told you, we work with the real ones, my brother.
What is that? Okay.
Let's see it, Chad.
Waiting for a nice little lack of entry here.
Position of ours still looking good, but I'm not I'm not getting any re-entry yet. Yeah, unfortunately I haven't got any re-entry yet, guys.
That's on gold, eh?
Yeah, in gold. An aggressive position would literally be to take it now on this candle closure. But I'd have to see, guys. Oh crap, hold on, sorry, it's not on my screen.
Yeah, I was about to say.
So what would be aggressive for me is taking this right now. As I said, we're still comfortably in our first position, but this for me now is, I mean, gold's coming alive, but aggressive move would be to literally take it now in 20 seconds. I don't know. Do we do it, Chad? Do we do it? We only live once. I think we go for it.
You can do it.
Alright, Chad, I'm going to put a little position on it, purely because we are already in the other one. We can run the 100 pip stop, because I think after 100 pip, it will bring us into, what's the name? I'm hitting a blank. Rip it. We did, Chad, we did. She must just run. Missed that again. Sorry guys, asking as a newbie, why are you going long when there has been so much resistance at that level? We want to see it break through. So we can literally monitor our stops very nicely, but you want to see it break through that. No risk, no Ferrari, they say. The big thing for us now, guys, is literally those bodily highs. If we can get above that, we're good. If we reject this again, we could see a bit of pullback.
Spot of trouble.
Yeah. So that's pretty much all you want to see is getting through that.
I would actually love for gold to take a little bit of a dump.
Don't say that now, bro.
Not necessarily now, just at some point. I want another entry on my swing. I didn't put the house on it like I should have.
That's not my fault. You should have trusted your instincts.
My instincts were saying 3,800 would be tested first. No such luck. Flippy, I'm in at 4,000 flat. I think I got in on 27th of October, somewhere there. Let me check here. Yeah, 27 October. New York session of 27 October. We came down to 38.86. I was like just a little bit lower, and then it flew back up.
There's that taste of that bodily heart, Chad. She is not ready to break yet.
Oh dear.
That could be very bad for us. Me no like this fizzy bubbly.
Fizzy bubbler. I could do with a fizzy bubbler.
Not very good. Silver's flying though, yeah. But this she's battling a bit, yeah. Chad, I'm gonna already mitigate half my stop. Just because that can come down. The fact I don't like that. Chad, I'm not even actually gonna lie to you. No, I'm killing it. I'm literally closed it there. I'm actually no. I'm not gonna play with that. We did that yesterday where I was like, oh no, this didn't validate it, but I'm gonna hold it anyway, and I got smacked in the teeth for it. I'm out of that position for 3 pips. I'm not gonna leave that on the screen for 3 pips, but you guys know I'm out of that position. I do not like the fact that we tested this high again and we are rejecting. I don't like that. So we are out over there. You're not in anything yet, eh?
No, the 15-minute range just formed, and now I'm waiting for a test of the extremes. I sense an intra-range play coming in today.
So this trade can still run, but I don't like what it's doing. You can't see your screen because you're not doing anything, guys. I will put it on your screen when he's doing something.
Still waiting, Chad. Still waiting.
You guys are eager. I love it, but if there's nothing to see, there's nothing to see.
This might run away with us. It is crazy how bearish Nas is to how bullish US 30 is. Jeez. Should have gone on my instinct on that one. Shit, I should have been in this.
Chad, looks like we had a good call there on gold.
She tanking.
Oh, sorry, you're angry but patient. Nah, all good. But as I said, I like the enthusiasm. But yeah, we still sitting here.
Okay, Chad, so if we're going to take the bearish continuations,
Right.
which I'm not too keen on, I'm going to need the next 5-minute candle to retest the bottom of that open range and see what happens there.
Got out of USD buys just before the open. I feel so silly. But, I mean, save
Hey,
your
man,
account. As I always say to people, the way that thing shot up, it could have shot down.
Could have gone the other way, you never
If
know.
it wasn't part of your plan, if your plan was to close before open, then that's just part of it. God, this was too much fun, yo, bro. Man, held us down. Nah, Jordy, he hyped you up here now, bro. You can't disappoint. All I'm gonna say, bro,
Mm-hmm.
if I'm looking at what Nas is doing,
Yeah.
if US30 turns around, I'm
It's
selling the
gonna
hell out of that
tank
thing,
the.
bro.
Yeah, I'm imagining the same thing.
If US30 starts to turn,
Like, one of these needs to catch up. One of these needs to catch up. Because Nas is from the open. No. From the open till now, 211 pips.
bro, you know what's gonna be quite funny, eh?
Mm.
If Chris doesn't wake up. And
We all just leave.
He's gonna wake up at like 8 o'clock tonight and be like,
Frick happened? Where is everyone? Where am I? What's going on?
like you leave him there in the studio, lights off, everything, bro. That studio is pitch black anyway.
Oh, it gets dark in there. You're right. Oh, that would be hilarious.
Jordan, definitely a game I can get used to, bro. That Hilly is freaking fun. Actual movie.
Yo, chat, I think Price is going to run away with us here.
Pressure makes diamonds. I love it. I was looking at the sales and as all day and now it's just gone. Trading is funny. Hey, Jax. As you said there, bro. You gotta risk it for the Rari.
It was a tough one, though, Jax.
He's sleeping at the office. Yeah, he's sleeping in the
he's
studio.
passed out, guy. Wait, did my... Did this account catch this?
Bro. TikTok's another animal though, huh?
Uh-huh.
I still can't figure it out. Like, I don't get how you post one video, it does well. You post the next video, 40 views.
Nothing.
Like,
just
bro,
can't get off the
doesn't
floor.
make sense to me. And there goes gold. Okay, wait, hold on. How much was that pullback? Ooh. Even if we mitigated to the 50, we would have just survived. But then again, we're only just at that all-time high again. So it's not like we drastically ran much. We only 30 pips up. Are we still in gold? Some of the guys are. Me personally, I'm not. I personally am not. that was the position there. Remember we said, okay, we had 100 pip stops. So I mean, there you technically were still very fine. But we did move it to a 50. And I mean, technically there you still also would have been fine. And that was 100. So I mean, even now you're not even like 50% to TP yet. So, and if this rejects again, I think that we definitely made the right call. So yeah, nothing I'm worried about. If it runs, it runs. I think I'm more excited to see what we get tomorrow after Trump's done what he needs to do. And from that point onwards, we can start getting more clear momentum on the markets. So if I miss something now, I miss it. I won't be bothered by this. The fact he's sleeping at the office is wild, lol. Everything okay at home, Chris. Keeks, that dude doesn't trust me in that heady. I'm Maverick, dude. Slashy, bro. I'll actually say, you did have some decent flying last night. All we do is Chris does not get to drive the tanks anymore. I don't care which tank it was, but he doesn't get to drive it.
You guys said you're gonna start streaming that, streaming the matches.
Yeah. Bro, you're gonna see another side of the G's. You're gonna see me 24/7 cocking on Chris. You know, when I look at that, bro, that's exactly why I can't see, and please women, this is not a thing at you guys, but I can't see females being that competitive at gaming.
No,
because the way we yell at each other is the same as like rugby. You play rugby, you move the oak afterwards. Hey, lekker, when we have a beer, we chat there.
it's a more aggressive, testosterone-filled.
Now when
sort
we
of
gaming,
activity.
I mean, I'm fluking you, I'm tuning you how cock you are, all of this, and then I'll be like, okay, boys, so let's go again.
Yeah,
We carry on. There's no personal feelings, and
it's a very different kind of interaction.
nah, he drives not anymore. He's got a year at dinners in the dark causing cock away. I want to see Keys rage, bro. You can ask Slashy. If you that teammate who got 0 kills, whew, I'm gonna come down on you. Nah, he's lying, Chad. This bruh swears us messed up.
That's funny. Chad, I got a duck at say 5:10, 5:15. Got an engagement to be at that I need to prepare for.
An engagement.
Yeah, so social engagement, not proposal
Oh, I
engagement.
thought you meant like engagement.
No,
I was like,
no.
whoa, how do we get there?
Skipped a few steps there. Chad, I got the ring, I got the location, I got it all planned out. I just need the person I'm getting married to.
Cribbo must just use that. Ed getting the baddies early on a Wednesday. Ed is going painting again. He probably is.
No, I'm not actually. There was one yesterday, but I had to go. Had to train yesterday. I had to train yesterday, unfortunately, and also the painting got hard. I wasn't keen.
That's kind of like a player. Slash. It's a vibe with the boys. I just don't know, Chad. Like I always say to you guys, I love you guys, but not the guys we've played with. You can ask Slash. We somehow, I don't know, we either getting paired up with little Timmy, whose dad just bought him a PlayStation for his birthday and it's his first time playing games, or I'm playing with a vegetable. It's one of the two, bro. We always get one teammate who is just, he's that guy that's sitting there trying to figure out.
That's funny.
He's looking at the sky
Like no idea what's going on. Check how realistic this game is.
Right.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Don't bully Timmy.
Oh, it's funny.
Why do you be a fly on the wall in the squad? Bro, it's crazy. It is crazy.
Itty, we don't do that here. I am celibate, my man.
Alright, gold nearly at that 50-point area, but we're gonna see what happens there. It's always a little Timmy, bro. Always. Or it's like a Marcus who went to some private school. Let Timmy be. My name is Timmy. I can shoot straight. Bevan, bro. I promise you not. And you know, Chad, I will say this. I'm gonna sound like a doers now, but you play these games, and for those that don't know, like gaming, you obviously you can't choose who you're getting paired up with. So when we searching and matchmaking, if there's 3 of us, they just throw in a random into the squad, and we'll get put with this little kid, and he'll be like, "Hey guys, do you guys have a mic? Okay, do you guys mind carrying me? Like, I've been playing the whole day and I haven't even got a win yet. I keep losing. They keep shooting me and I'm dying." Then you sit there and you go, "Oh crap, this is gonna be a long game.
Is this what we're doing?
This is gonna be a long game." Keys, what headset do you have, brother? I've got a... I don't know what it's called. I've actually run 2, so I just switch between them when they're charging. I've got the Steel Series. Let me just get it up for you quickly. I've got the Steel Series, the wireless one. It's the Arctic, not that one. Why are they only showing the flipping expensive one? But I've got a Steel Series, and then I literally actually run the PS5's pulses, bro. Like, I'll actually say to people that have played with them, the pulse is actually very, very good. Like, it is quite decent. Where the hell is this thing? The slash, then these are the ones I run. The Steel Series Arctic 7s. Yeah. These bad boys. Very, very good. Very comfortable. But yeah, that, and then I just run my PS5 Pulse. And Marcus thinks he's cockroach. Alright, there's gold rejecting again. That's what I said, guys. It's just going to chop here for me. I don't think we're going to get something there. Nah, Keys, we're not getting Bev. We instantly lose everything. Well, I'll troll that kid. That's what I'm saying. Slash, not even going to try. I'm out, boys. Be blessed. Check you guys tomorrow. Cheers, Ruben. Have a good one. Bro, I ordered the Steel Series Arctic 7 this morning because my jack on my headset completely cucked last night after we finished. Oh, hectic, bro. No, they're very, very good. I had one issue with mine, and at the time, I took it to the guys, and because it literally just, it wasn't turning on. It could be fully charged, like it just wasn't turning on. Even if you plugged it in, wouldn't turn on. Took it into Kloppers, and they just said, well, it's under warranty. So they took that, gave me a new one. And then nice. I haven't had an issue again. So yeah.
That's very nice.
console is best? For the Xbox versus PlayStation, I'm keen to get one. PS5, brother, all the way. Consoles for bot players who need assistance.
Hectic. Okay.
I could have a greater Z. I still have a 500 wide spray. Is anyone planning on pre-ordering GTA 6 next year? I'll probably pre-order it like a week before release date, because at this point they just keep extending it.
Yeah.
I just hope at this rate I'm alive when it comes out. That's all. So geez, Christmas is around the corner. Maybe a console there, PS5. Hey. We can make a good deal there, Brian. I'll spot you like a PS5 Pro. And just because I know there's a lot of variety there, you can get me a nice Rolex. I think that's a nice fair deal for us, bro. NASDAQ reversed a bit. Okay, so is NASDAQ playing catch up?
Pushing a little bit up now. US 30 still
US 30 not
pumping.
even stopping. But Chad, that's what we said to you guys. If it was gonna hold this all-time high, it's gone.
So seeing if we can get in on Nazi. Oh, Nazi.
Anyone plays Star Citizen? Sounds fair. I'll take a PS5. I don't need a Pro. Yeah, Chad, maybe we'll see with you guys. Maybe we do a little Christmas giveaway again. Maybe a nice PS5 for you guys. Keep you busy in the December holidays. Side note, the other thing I wanted to talk about. Tinas, are you in the chat, my brother? See if Tinas is here. Where would you potentially see to enter NASDAQ? Let's see, Ed. Where are you looking to enter?
I'm waiting for my little 2-candle, what's this thing? Little 2-candle confirmation. So what I'm hoping for is for Nas to, ideally, the entry I'd be most comfortable with is if Nas breaks inside this range and closes, retests, and rejects, and then...
Amina on Friday. So I'm going to put a post tomorrow to remind everyone, and then we announce the winner on Friday.
And then I would want to take it here. That's what I'm hoping happens. That'd be ideal.
There we go. Okay, there's Tinas. All right, Chad. So big credits to Tinas. He actually gave us this idea. Crib and myself actually said we love it. Something we want to do, but we want a little bit of feedback from you guys as traders. Because I think we'd actually even start something a bit small. So technically kind of what Tinas was saying, but also a little bit different from what he was saying. We might do one a little bit smaller, and then we can take it bigger in the future if it does well. And there goes gold now. All right. So there she goes.
Did buy.
Yeah. So if you guys were still in the same trade over there, you are now 60 pips up. Your TP still over there, basically on Asia highs. If you're in that, this is definitely time to go break even. But that's if you're in it. I'm not in that trade. But guys, what I was saying, what we wanted to do is I think we might make like a group or something for the guys who genuinely are interested. Now, please listen to this carefully. This is where you also got to be a little bit of an adult and not be like, yay, I want to do that. Actually, like, okay, I love the idea. I want to be part of it, and I'm going to do my part. We might make a little bit of a group where we're going to trade. We're going to do like we're doing now, having OES, having whatever, the guys who are working well together. We're going to trade and basically we're going to make the funds, do everything we want to do, and then we're going to go away. We're going to go on a holiday as a community.
Oh, okay.
Us, so Chris, myself, with our members, so whoever has been part of it, who's made the money, who's made everything, we do it. Like we could start at a very small level to make it a lot more accessible for you guys who are South African. and let's say we can go get a villa for like a week in Cape Town. So while we away for that week, not only we'll do like, we can even do some podcasts with some of you members. We can literally just be around each other and hang out and be a vibe. We will trade together in this villa for like a week. Do what we want to do. Get to actually spend time together as a community. Not just, hey, you guys help us grow the community, we make money and we go on holiday. We want to do this with you guys. And then for the guys who are a bit more on that next level, we actually do an international trip together. We can go to Dubai, we could go wherever. We can go to Thailand, we can go to Zanzibar, we can go flip wherever we want to go. But yeah, something we thought would be very, very cool. If that's something you guys do think is cool and you guys would want to ideally be part of that for when we start that and start building it up, start planning it, all that stuff, just drop like a 1 year in the chat. I just want to see like roughly, do we have a lot of guys who would be keen on that? From the VIP, I'm in. Imagine I don't want to travel. Is that for members? No, well, anyone who's in the community. Because end of the day, as I say, we're not going to basically be fitting the bill for you. We're going to trade together. So it's up to you to be responsible. Don't be a DJ and don't go catch on shit behind closed doors, and stick to the plan. We build, we do it together, and then at the end of it, it's like think of it this way. If we say there, okay guys, we're all going to start here. This is what we're doing. This is what we're building. The plan is to do it in the middle of the year. We have until June. So we're going to start in Jan. Whether that's getting you funded, whether it's trading personal capital, this is the amount of money we need to build, which will pay for your flights. It's going to pay for whatever. And that's it. And then we go. Whether it's a case of we make it, you guys bring your part, or whether it's a case of you guys just making the effort to travel out. Because not only in you doing this, you're going to actually grow as a trader, but then we have all of that as a community to be together and stuff like that. That would be awesome. I love Portugal. Don't be saying it's a long story next time. Yeah, like that's what I'm trying to say. Like, we don't want the guys, that's what I'm saying, where you kind of have to be grown up about it. Not to say, I'm keen, I'm this, you making all these things, and then when it comes time to do stuff and you're like, ooh, boys, okay, shit, no.
Actually, the way my bank account's set up.
Yeah. How I sign up. We're gonna, it's just an idea for now. We're gonna start, like, it's end of year. We'll have our team and the admin start basically looking into everything to plan something like this. And then we can start looking into it. Love this idea. And that's the thing, we obviously will have our team with us, because there will be some content stuff we will do with you guys there and all that stuff. But it will almost be like a real life trip for traders. Not necessarily, you don't have to be the biggest trader. You can be someone who's medium and has just had a massive journey, and you get to be with us. And obviously it's not sexist. It's not saying that, hey, there's going to be men and women. The men that are there, like we had the caca with the guys out there, there's still morals and values and ways you will behave. You're not going to catch on shit when you're there. And gold is absolutely just going. I see a news thing popped up now. 1 minute ago. Gold edges up as traders await US House vote to end federal shutdown. Alright.
That will do it.
Okay. There you go. Thanks, Gold. But, yeah, so it would be open to, I mean, if you're male, if you're female, whatever the case is. Gold, I hate you. I love you, but I hate you.
Gold did you dirty there.
The fact we were in that, Chad.
And that yesterday you stuck into it. It punished you for it. Today, because of that, you jumped out early and it punished you for it. Right. You have to love trading.
Gold just doesn't give me a break.
You have to love trading. It's beautiful, Chad.
I would love to take part, but I think I'm Timmy in the trading world.
Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, I love you for that. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good.
I won't catch you 400 pips like you. Yeah, 50 cal, but you in Prodigy now, eh? We're gonna get you there, brother. We're gonna level you up. DX wants to dump into it. We already know who's going to be the chops there. I can name 30 of them right now. 29 of them is one. Oh, Chad. You guys. Can you just get back to your ex-US City? Gold is too much. I'm watching her, but I mean, because I was watching gold, I said to you, hey, if she holds, yeah, she's going bullish, but I didn't do anything. And now she's there, and I can't do anything up there.
It was a little quick. It was a little quick with the open there.
To be fair, we were in that. We just closed it because we got burnt yesterday. But you know what? I'm not going to cry because the original position still, that's TP on the original position. But
Oh yeah, that was a re-entry.
yeah, the re-entry, I won't lie. Okay, we are caught in cuck is that I said to you guys it's going smaller. The re-entry was technically actually a bit bigger than I should have gone because it was like, I'm in profit, so
Might as well.
Might as well.
Hilarious.
And then would have been a really, really good day. I could have paid for my trip for next year now.
Hey, look at that.
But nonetheless, guys, gold, big area for me, 41.60. This is where we're going to want to monitor things over here, see what we get into. Gold rejects over here, good chance we can be coming back down. But if we can hold this, we could see a little break above here. It could be something saucy. So we just want to monitor that. She looks good, yeah. This could be a big day for gold. Gold absolutely taking off now. Danko gold 410 is 410. There we go.
That is massive, Rux. Well done. All right, Chad, I'm going to head to Coing. Not getting an entry on NAS just yet. At this stage of the game, it can be anything. Could be a buy, could be a sell. Don't know. So, yeah. Chad, I hope you guys had a fan-freaking-tastic day, and I will see you guys in the Chad tomorrow.
There we go. Big Ed, appreciate it. We'll check you tomorrow, brother. Chad, so let's see. Does gold hold here for us? Ed, where are you looking to get out on gold? He's going to hold it to all-time highs. Ed Rooks doesn't play around with gold. Man's a weapon on the charts. Rooks, you're going to be sitting in first class. Rooks is ready for the trip. I just want to check that 30. Right, was a big rejection there. Sure, why is this thing making it go? Yeah, this thing could run, Chad. Is there more stuff coming out? So now we have another one. Edges up Australia's right there. Goldman Sachs is S&P 5 and head into next year and the next decade. Whew. US House votes. Let's see, chat. Okay, we can't even read it. What are they saying here for you people? No. Pretty much boring stuff. Nothing, yeah. you're actually gonna learn from. Alright. And there gold goes again. Gold moving to Mars. Yeah, I'm also thinking possible retracements. Retest kicks. Yeah, I would have loved a retest there. I would have loved a retest there. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, this is going to be a bit of an uncomfortable one. We technically could take the buy here, but I would have loved the retest though, guys. And it's just absolutely rocketing now. Let's see. I'm just checking something here, chat, quickly. Yeah, we're just gonna need to watch this now. Gold decided to wake up. Yeah, it did. The only thing for me now is 41.70. I think is gonna be a big level for us. So if we can get through 41.70, I think we could see a big day on gold. US 30 starting to have that turnaround, but gold, yeah. If this rejects, Chad, this thing can come. It can come down. It can get very ugly very quick. Nah, Jezray, no, we don't do that, yeah. Tried to sell USD 3 times yesterday. Oof, that must have been painful. I hope Chris is enjoying his sleep. Chad, all we do is you tell him everyone must say, no, oh, bro, see the gold bars we caught. He will be bleak. Clean double bottom on gold. I don't know how that's a double bottom with so many bottoms, but ooh, that rejection, Chad, that could be a big one. That could be a big one.
of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Gold. Sold US30. Alright. It's all this late nights and BFX is chalking the man. Nah, bro, he is chalked. Alright, Chad. Are we gonna get something? It's gonna be late in session if we take this. There's a part of me that wants to buy there now, Chad, but I think that might be the DJ in me talking. It might be the DJ in me talking now. See what this does here for us. My boys are even selling US30. Yo. Any entry at this point is a chase. Yeah, no, I do agree with you. This is where I think guys that are gonna get they're gonna get chopped quite aggressively. Yesterday, what goes up must eventually come down, but Asia. Said for me, this is the buy, but your guys, I don't know. Is it quite aggressive? That's what I don't know. Close yesterday in profits, but it's rejecting a. This thing can absolutely just continue, yeah, guys, as well. But it can be quite a painful one if you're on the wrong side of it, I think.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious.
Daily R2, I mean, daily R2 is untested, so it could still, but nah, Chad, I don't think they're US 30. I don't know about that sell, guys. I think it can come in, but it's still very, very far away for us. So I don't know, Chad. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. But I think I'm also looking for trouble if I'm just continuing sitting here. Chad, I think we're gonna get ready to call it. The man is awake. Have to wait for Linda. There we go. Keys. A quick question: is VF trade day starting at 12 p.m. time or New York time? Which one do they start at?
What is that?
The VF trading days. Do they start at 12 p.m. or New York time? So like market open. All right, market open. There we go. I didn't get my entry. I don't chase. See you boys tomorrow. Chad, I think that is going to be it. We're going to wrap it up. But was a good one, Chad. Unfortunately, nice move on the markets. But we closed a bit early. But didn't miss the big move. And now she wants to run. That's just part of the game. Bitcoin buys keys, what you say. But Chad, nonetheless, don't try to force something there. I think from basically midnight for us boys here, early tomorrow morning, if Trump does sign that and we get news on that shutdown, it's still going to take a while for everything 100% to come into action, but it will give us clear direction in what's happening on the markets and a bit more of continuation rather than this chop the whole time. But Chad, without further ado, that's going to be it. As always, we're going to close off here. So guys, don't go be complete DJs. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, Chad.